Be a simple kind of man. Bow, bow, burning. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Max here with another banjo lesson. This week we're going to be covering Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Be sure to click on the link to my website, get the tab so you can follow along. Now, the original recording, they're tuned down a half step. And so I went ahead and pitched the recording up a half step, and then we got the capo on the second fret to play along. If you wanted to play along with the original recording, just go ahead and put the capo down a half step to the first fret, and everything will be played relative from there. But since you guys are probably playing with your guitar buddies and they're in standard tuning and you don't want to have them tuned down a half step, because they're freaking lazy. So I went ahead and made it so we're all in standard tuning. I'm going to go ahead and play it slow, and then along with the song, here we go, Simple Man.